Look what brother has learned. Oh. James. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? No. No.
Mom, clean that up.
Who is going to clean that up?
You.
Why? You're not going to clean it up? James. No, don't you be happy about it.